रावलपिंडी लिए चलते हैं आपको, जहां वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरियम नवाज मंसूबे पर ब्रीफिंग दे रही हैं।
अंडर वे राइट नाउ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम Pant is Delhi. It is of 38.3 kilometer length. Next, total length is 28.3 kilometer. Total 24 bridges and underpasses. We have 53 culverts, 12 subways, and FW has deployed 2 construction teams on this project. Next. Now this is the overall layout. It starts from Pant on BT Road.
Construction teams have been deployed. What are the number of people working?
In total, there are 500 people from FW, and we have also mobilized almost 28 contractors. Other than these teams, Team 1, it is looking after first 21 kilometers, and second team is looking after next 17 kilometers of road. In total, we have 89 structures, which include 5 interchanges, bridges. First interchange at Bhat, then at Chakveli, then third one is at Adela.
Where are we now?
We are sitting here RD 21 at 18 here now.
All right.
Almost at the midpoint.
Yeah, it's the midpoint.
Major structures other than these 5 interchanges are railway bridge at the start point, and then bridge over river swamp. Next. This is the overall development. We FW mobilized on this site on 26th of August. The land acquisition and expansion on the site started simultaneously. Initially, 5 kilometer patch was available after land acquisition, and we mobilized on this site on 1st September. Then after till 15th September, we cleared this area for almost 14 kilometers and further expanded from this point, Miramora interchange till start point of Bhat by 1st of October. And then last portion was also acquired, and we mobilized on the site till 15th of October.
So it's all clear?
It is also clear, all clear. And probably ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे बड़ी तेज़ी से
इस वक्त वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरियम नवाज को रावलपिंडी रिंग रोड मंसूबे पर ब्रीफिंग दी जा रही है।